Hapakan ni windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis no meh manga. Mia ke meh wasna.
Ba, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Hakajingelang bala penyat tak deputy commissioner ke East Hasils ke kong RM Kurba. Hakhasan terik jembang aja pun Rio. Laikran sani bha halo kajingkan terput. Hapo ki right of way hasilin ter ka surok thamai kabraksna na Shillong Shaduh hakabau manager P NHIDCL PMU Milliam ulapan pa kajing sokhya ya kajingmi jong Nongdie Madan ki bakon terput haki babun ki jaka hasilin ter jong surong kata Rilbong point halai mer siteng oper Shillong ba hanyong mer oper Shillong bakum juru kajing bu iki parking lot Rilbong point. Hau kurwa balapha sakilap tai khubor haka arpo atrik jembang aja pun Rio. Long bagani ka Jingdon jing Nongdie Madan kelabu jingma. Yaki riu pai ba yaki Nongdie Madan ba ya kalit kawan jong ki kali. Ka jingalang kalarai bagi pulit ke Shillong Traffic Police. Ki officer na katanat PWD Road naka National Highway Division Shillong bat ka NHIDCL kedi banya trailang ban Kyndang Road iki Nongdie Madan hasil ter jong surong Shillong dauki. Kajingalang kalarai baka NHIDCL kadiban bu di Kyndang haki right of way blabu bat ka office jong superintendent of police traffic kadiban bu di jingkier ban perkheng ya kajing pinyang kali hapo ka right of way bat ban bu iki pulen penyat kali haki ni jaka bat ka NHIDCL katanat PWD roads NH division kinya trailang bet ya kakam ban Kyndang andala ajing tiplot syabaro.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.